Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I just want to show you this idea of superimposing chords. I did post an exercise a few days ago, I want to show you the idea behind it. Let's take a G7 chord and let's try to play other type of chords over the G7. So the first thing that comes in mind, if we think of G as 5, the 2 will be a D minor. So, and if I'm trying to play D minor, I'm playing D, F, A, C, and then I go to the G7 and I play B, G, F, D, B. Now, the next approach is, okay, we played the 2 or 5. Now, what we can do is to use the diminished harmony. We can make the G7 a G7 flat 9. So if we start from the A flat, we know that we have 4 different diminished chords. So from the A flat, from the B, from the D, and from the F. So when I see a G7, I can think of D minor going to G, or I can think of D minor going to a G flat 9. And the last idea is, so we did the major harmony, we used the diminished harmony, now we're going to try to play the melodic harmony. Over a G7, we can play an F minor major 7, yeah, an F melodic minor, or we can play the, of course, it's the same scale, the B flat Lydian Dominant. If you don't know those two scales, I'm sure you do though. It's F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E for the melodic minor, and then for the B flat Lydian Dominant we have B flat, C, we have D, we have E, F, G, A flat. Now I have 3 different type of harmonies that I can use over just a G7. I can think of a major harmony, I can use the D minor, I can think of the diminished harmony, I can use A flat diminished, B diminished, D diminished, and F diminished, and I can use the melodic minor harmony with F melodic minor and the B flat Lydian Dominant. And you have an incredible combination of notes. You know, it's not always cool to go out with the chord, change sub the G7, then going back in with the pentatonic. It always sounds very effective, very cool.